Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using 3 colors from Acrylic Fetish Dip Powders. Now this mani is going to be more of a palette cleansing mani, and the first color here is beautiful, and it is a thermal called Ice Latte. So it's that beautiful ice latte color, and then it has thermal shifts of silver tones to it. And then the next color here is in the nude, and it is a beautiful nude color, and it has an undertone of a little bit more of an orangey tan. And then the next color here is a Renesmee, and this is a beautiful nude pink, and it also glows. And if you're not into glows, you can get this color without the glow as well, but it glows purple and it's super pretty. And then we are going to be using the gel method for today's mani. So when you are using thermals and you are using the gel method, you're not going to get as strong as a thermal as you would if you were using dip liquids. Dip liquid is going to bring that thermal to the fullest potential. I mean, you still will get a subtle thermal change when it comes to your dip powders when you are using the gel method. But if you are using the gel method and you're like, I'm not getting that bold of a thermal change, that is why, because there's something with the gel polish and the thermals, they kind of dull each other down a little bit. So try using a thermal with your dip liquids. You'll be blown away. It is super vibrant, the thermal, and it's very sensitive when you are using those dip liquids. Right now, I am just really loving the gel method. It is kind of my thing right now. I do occasionally switch throughout my videos on here on my channel to using dip liquids, but it is rare. But I definitely will be using dip liquids more in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this beautiful palette cleansing mani, and I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, we're just finishing up this mani here, and as you can see, I went directly in with my top coat. Now, if you ever have any issues with any flaking or peeling of your top coat, then you want to go ahead and do an extra step. Before you go in with your top coat, you want to make sure that you are going in with a base coat and then going with your top coat. That will help prevent any of that peeling or flakiness of your top coat. So I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's perfect for that transition into Halloween and autumn with those dark seasons. This was the perfect palette cleanser that I needed. And I think Iced Latte is a beautiful color, so definitely check out Acrylic Fetish. I'll link everything in the description below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!